Hi, this is John with WTI. And when I was trying to have a good protection for my phone, I have a Galaxy S21 Ultra. And this is where this Spigen protector comes into place. So one of the things that I like straight up from this Spigen cover is how at the same time while you're having this nice slim filling, you get a great protection from the four rounded corners that they are reinforced. That means that while you're still having the same sensation as if your phone is right there, no any chunky covers, it at the same time is gonna protect your phone from hard drops. It has some rubberized textures from the side, so you can have a great grip for your phone. And while at the same time you're having the nice look, feeling, and the quality that Spigen does for their cases, is a nice protection to protect your investment. So this was John with ATI, and that was my point of view.